Welcome to Pure Soul Aesthetics, where beauty meets science. Today, we are exploring the often overlooked canvases of the body, our souls and toenails. More than just an aesthetic feature, they are vital indicators of our overall health and well-being. The soles of our feet endure immense pressure daily, acting as our primary contact with the world. Proper foot care, including regular moisturization and gentle exfoliation, is crucial for maintaining skin integrity, preventing uncomfortable calluses, and ensuring a healthy skin barrier. Neglecting this area can lead to dryness, cracking, and even painful fissures, impacting not just comfort but mobility. In our sessions, we focus on the restoration of the dermal layers to ensure a smooth, supple texture that is both beautiful and functional. Beyond their structural role, toenails offer a unique opportunity for self-expression through color. Today, we admire a vibrant purple, a shade symbolizing creativity and sophistication. However, the beauty of polished nails also comes with responsibility. Regular inspection for discoloration, thickening, or brittleness is key to the early detection of various conditions. Professional care, focusing on careful cuticle management and proper nail trimming, prevents ingrown nails and promotes strong, healthy growth. Using high-quality, breathable nail polishes and ensuring adequate, bare nail time are also essential practices for long-term nail wellness. To maintain both the health and aesthetic appeal of your soles and nails, we recommend a simple yet effective routine. Moisturize daily, using a rich, nourishing cream. Always choose comfortable, well-fitting footwear to protect your feet from unnecessary friction. For vibrant nails, ensure they are thoroughly cleaned and dry before polish application, and always consider a protective base coat. Remember, regular professional checkups can address minor concerns before they escalate. Furthermore, we must consider the physiological process of cell turnover. The skin on our soles is significantly thicker than on the rest of the body, requiring specialized attention to shed dead skin cells effectively. By incorporating professional debridement and targeted hydration, we stimulate the production of new, healthy cells. This not only enhances the visual radiance of the feet, but also improves tactile sensitivity and comfort, allowing the skin to breathe and recover from the daily stress of movement. Another vital aspect is the biomechanical health of the feet. The way we care for our nails and skin directly influences our gait and posture. Thickened nails or untreated calluses can cause subtle shifts in how we walk, leading to discomfort in the ankles, knees, and even the lower back. By maintaining a pristine aesthetic and clinical standard for your feet, you are essentially investing in your body's foundation. A well-cared-for foot is the first step toward a more balanced and pain-free lifestyle. At Pure Soul Aesthetics, we believe every step should be a confident one. Invest in the health and beauty of your feet. They carry you through life. Thank you for joining us in this educational journey. If you appreciate this clinical and aesthetic approach, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next session.